Hello to everyone who's watching this video. Now I'm going to show you how this website called paid video viewing, which is being used by many people to in order thinking that they will gain money, that it is lying them. Yeah, it's not really working. It doesn't really pay. Yeah, the first thing you when you reach on this website, what you see, they tell you that you will watch videos, and get paid for it, and video in companies, and they tell you that video in company offers you to earn money by watching promotional videos. Yeah, the first point that shows that they are lying. Here they said that watch videos and get 0.6 USA dollar per minute viewing. Yeah, then as you see, who can give you $0.6 per watching video? Even the video is he doesn't pay him that amount to get one view, and you think that they will give you a lot of money for this, and thinking that sign up and get 10 USA dollar in for as the new bonus here. Do you think that they will give you them? Yeah, on your account they will write that you have $10, but when you are going to withdraw them, they will tell you that you need to refer 30 people. Do you think do you imagine what will happen after referring 13 people? When you reach on 30 people, they tell you that you haven't referred anybody, that the account are not valid. So they tell you that to refer again 30 and make sure that they have created the accounts. Yeah, they are lying. They tell you that refer to the other users and get 30% from the earnings. Yeah, here. Do you think that on your account they are being added? But what happens when you are going to do what? When you are going to site to get to withdraw your money? Yeah, they tell you that you are not valid. Yeah, and they see their videos here. You see their videos here, and you see their comments here. These comments, you can first of all see when these comments were reported. Yeah, this here those people who are saying, who are commenting that they really pay, they do what they're lying. Yeah, please, I'm not lying to you. I will not it will hurt me when I see you just spending your time watching their videos, but in after you will not get paid out. Those names that you see that they have been paid. Yeah, they have been paid. They are in the systems. They put it in the systems already. They are coming. They check this day and check after 1 week. You will see that those names are the same, the money are the same. To mean that they put them in the system and they think that they are getting their money, but they are not really getting money, because it is what they put in the system. Like this one where they Javelin, this one where they said that that man got that money. Yeah, tomorrow I sees it. I seen it at this time. So please, when you see that somebody is paid, please take screenshot, and after a given period of time, come again and check. After, for if you take it at 12 p.m., come again after 1 week and check at that hour, 12 p.m. You will see that that name will come again. That notification will be on your screen, telling you that that man got money. Like this one, he doesn't really get this money. After 1 week, they will say that again, that man get the money. Yeah, please, I'm not lying. If you found that I'm lying, please unsubscribe to my channel.